Behind the ballots, why a judge is reopening Mbeere North controversial UDA victory. Kenya's political skin has been thrown into a fresh turmoil after the Chief Justice took the first decisive step toward investigating the highly contested Mbeere North by-election. In a Gazette notice dated December 5, Chief Justice Martha Koome assigned High Court Judge Richard Mungo to preside over a petition that challenges the official results. The petition, filed by two residents, Juliet Karigi Kithumbu and Patrick Gitonga Gichoni, seeks to overturn the victory of UDA's Leonard Wamudende Njeru. Mudende was declared the winner on November 27th after narrowly edging out his closest opponent, Newton Koresh Karaoke, who garnered 15,308 votes. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.